Hey, my friend Julie here. And I just wanted to share with you tonight, we've been doing some, at least 4 times a week, masterminds for the S3 method. And, I just want to put it out there that this is something that is very extraordinary and not something commonplace where a multiple six-figure earner has taken a group of people and molded them. Yes, I do have some experience. I have been doing affiliate marketing, but it's an up and down thing. You're not always guaranteed that income that you need to substantiate your monthly expenses and know that that money is definitely going to be coming in. So this is something that is a very unique opportunity where you do not have to recruit, you do not have to really sponsor anyone, and there are different avenues that we are expanding in this type of business that still does not require any recruiting or sponsoring. And one of them is the 100K Club. Now, it just went live on last Monday, something like that. It's only been live for a week. Now, what the 100K Club does, it still has the avenue that is somewhat connected with the S3 method, but it does not have all the training that the S3 method has. Now, once you have this type of training in your hands, you're able to promote anything you want. It's not just for this particular opportunity. Now, the 100K Club is something that is totally hands-off. Right now, we're keeping it to the United States only. It is going to be a global opportunity, but there are certain things that have to be put into place to make it so. The only requirements you have are a $10 minimum purchase from Amazon or Walmart, and that's on a monthly basis. The membership is $60. That is $25 for the marketing co-op, $10 for admin fee, and $25 for your membership. Now, the purchase for the Walmart or the Amazon is, yes, their affiliate links, but this does not mean that they get any of this money. What they're doing is having people shop, so the money that is earned is brought back into the advertising co-op for everybody to have traffic sent to their links. And this is what they call a 4x7 matrix. So once that traffic is coming and is dispersed with all the members that have paid their membership, you will get 4 people under you, okay? And then once that is filled, and on each of those 4 people, you are able to earn $3 per person. And then from there, it gets times by 4 each time and each level. So it's 4 across and 7 deep, if that makes sense to you. So, I mean, this is something that, they do the email follow-up, they do everything for you for $60 a month. That's all you have to do is shop and pay your membership, and then you're done. And as this goes on, and there are charts and things like that that I can go into at a later time, but I'm not going to do that tonight. I just thought I would shoot this video very quickly before I head off to bed. This is something that over a few months, you're going to be making $1,000 a month easily. And that's just one source of income. So it's really kind of a no-brainer when it comes to opportunities and how they are managing everything. There is a Facebook group, and I will put that link in the description so you can go in there. It's open. You can go in there and check out other people's testimonials, other people's, successes, what they're doing. So this is something that might be very interesting to you. So I will keep you posted on how things are going, and take a look at the Facebook group and see if you like what you see there, and if this is something that you've been thinking about getting involved with something online, but you were just didn't want to do the recruiting thing, you don't want to do the sponsoring thing, you don't want to be chasing people around, you don't want to be having to look for traffic sources of your own because you're new, and you can get totally burned and lose a lot of money by trying to do that. And so, this is something that is just easy peasy, and you can roll with it. So I will see you guys on the next video, and I'll have all the information and links in the description area for you to check out. So I'll see you soon. Bye now.